Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about introduction of sets or sets. Okay, so kunin natin yung ano ba to? So, yung definition ng sets, okay? So, meaning or definition ng sets, kunin natin yan. Tsaka yung how to define sets. Okay? So, yung sets, so, mamaya, i-define natin yung sets. Okay? So, ito yung mga sets natin. Halimbawa lang. So, show which set of fruits. Okay? Ito yung mga sets of fruits. Then, saan yung set of four-legged animals? Okay, meron tayong four-legged animal at saka yung set of fruits. Okay? So yung mga sets of fruits, yan ang mga sets of fruits. Okay? Tapos yung sets of or set of four-legged animal, yan, si tiger, yung horses, giraffe, at saka yung mga meow, 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 meow. Yan. So, in mathematics, we have discussed some of the following. A set of counting numbers. Ibig sabihin ng counting numbers from 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, etc., etc. Set of integers. Sabihin natin integers, lahat ng merong negative sa left side, lahat na yung negative sa right side ay positive. Okay? So, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, then positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, etc., etc. Yung set of points, yun ang point A, point B, point C, at saka yung point D, etc. So on and so forth. And then a set of solutions for an equation. Okay? So which of the following sets are well defined? So letter A, set of all large numbers. So well defined ba yan siya or not? Okay, mamaya explain natin yan. Letter B, the set of all multiples of 5. Letter C, set of good writers. And letter D, the set of nice people in your class. So, yung solution natin, yung letter A, okay, the set is not well defined. Okay, because some people will have different opinion on which numbers are large. Okay, so ano yung letter A? Set of all large number. Ibig sabihin, yung lahat ba ay large number. So, hindi siya well defined. Kasi magkaiba tayo ng opinion on which numbers are large. Meron iba sa atin, mayroong million. Iba-iba tayong mga opinion about large number. Kaya hindi siya well-defined. Letter B set is, yung letter B natin, the set of all multiples of 5. So, yung letter B is the set is well-defined. Kasi, numbers that are multiples of 5 can easily be differentiated from others. Okay, so mga multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, etc. Okay, so klaro siya. So, yung letter B ay well-defined. Yung letter C, ang question ng letter C, the set of good writers. So, solution natin, the set is not well-defined. Kasi, some people may include different writers in the set. So, hindi siya well-defined. Letter D, yung letter D is the set of nice people in your class. So, ang solution natin dito, the set is not well defined because there is no common agreement as to what is meant by nice people. So, hindi siya well defined. Next, what is a set? Okay? A set is a group or collection of objects. Okay? So, yung symbol ng set, ayan, nakaganyan siya. Pangit kasi yung ano ko. Yun ang symbol ng set. Okay? Ayan, set A. Next. So, what is the relation of apple sa, okay? Yan. So, anong relation niya? Okay? Apple is what? Element or a members of the set. Kasi nga si Apple is member siya. Yung element, yung symbol ng element, okay? This, in set language, the Greek letter epsilon, okay, means is a members or elements of. So, Apple is an element, yan ang symbol ng element of the set of fruits. Yan ang mga set niya. So, ano pa? Banana is an element or a member of the set. Okay? So, kung hindi siya member, is not. Ganyan lang. Is not. Okay, next. Okay, durian. Durian ba yan? Okay, durian is not a member of a set or is not a member or is not an element of a fruit. Okay, ito yung given na set, hindi kasama yung durian dyan, di ba? So, therefore, durian is not a member of a set. So, annotated with, kapag hindi siya member, yan, or is not an element, ganyan, is not an element. Okay, so sets of whole numbers denote by W equals, yung sets natin whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then dot, dot, dot. Ibig sabihin yan, dot, dot, dot to be continued. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, meron pang 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, so on and so forth. Next set of natural numbers denote by N, so equals natural number, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, dot, dot. So, continuous pa yan. Set of integers denote by I. Okay, dot, dot, dot. Ibig sabihin, meron pa yan dito. Negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., etc. Okay, so empty set or a null set. So, yung symbol ng empty set, ano ba yan yung symbol niya or, yan, null set. Okay, continue natin ha. Yan. Yan ang symbol ng null set. Various sets. So, how to define a set? Or how to define a set? So, meron tayong describing the element. So, describing the elements. So, A is the set of whole numbers from 1 to 6 or 1 until 6. Okay? So, next is listing the element. So, ilista natin or isulat natin yung mga element. Okay? So, A. So, yung set of whole numbers, ito, set of whole numbers from 1 to 6. Yun ang describing. So, pag listing, so, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Next, set notation or set builder notation yan. So, set A, okay, is the set of all x such that yung bar line dito represent ng bar is such that x is less than 6. Okay, x is an element of A. Okay? So, yan lang po muna yung topic natin about sets, and later on na i-discuss ko pa yung iba. At maraming salamat sa panonood, at kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at paki-share na rin. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.